Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between accounts in your Google Chrome application on an Android device. If you use multiple accounts on your phone and want to switch between them in Google Chrome, the first thing you need to do is to open the browser itself. Now look for your account's icon at the top of the screen. Tap on it, then select the account, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Sign Out. Now that you are signed out, let's tap on the same icon again and select the account that we want to use by tapping on an arrow right here. You can also add another account to your device, but I'm just gonna switch to a different account that I use. And that's it. Account successfully changed. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.